So right now guys, we're here at
Porsche Experience Center in Hockenheim Ring.
Yes sir! Ito-drive tayo mamaya ng ano yung
Hindi, wala, ganun yan.
So, this is day 3 guys and hindi na kami nakapag-video kahapon kasi antok na. This is day 3 of Euro trip. Nandito na naman kami sa Germany and we're off to NH. Gion, may Gion meet mamaya. May Gion meet mamaya. So, tara, samahan nyo kami today. Day 3. Let's go! So we're here at NH Collection. So ganda ng hotel. Yan. Hey.
Nasa ano tayo ngayon? Heidelberg.
Heidelberg.
Pinipilit ko lang. Gusto ko lang. This is Mark. Yeah, you met him.
Singapore.
Nice to see you. I think.
So we're here. Kakasayin lang and we're just enjoying the night.
Let us know when you're coming.
This is day 3 guys. Day 3 pa lang to.
Hi. Hello.
So, good morning. It's a brand new day again and this is day 4 of our Euro trip here in Europe. So, I'm with Boss Tris and I'm with Boss Rebo. And today is the G day, guys. Boss, ganito mag-field trip. So, field trip tayo. Ganito ang field trip sa Europe, guys.
Why you cameraman?
Yeah, I'm the cameraman.
Pero hindi tayo dyan din nasa kanila. May kumakarera pa.
So right now guys, we're here at
Porsche Experience Center in Hockenheim Ring.
Yes sir! And this is day 4 of our Euro trip. Let's go!
Day 1 ng G days.
Yes, day 1 ng G days. Let's go!
Dito na, sa bagay. Panahon ko to eh. Ganda ng bagay.
Ganda no? Pero kung ayaw mo na sakit ng ulo, punta ka sa Bago. Pero kung gusto mo ng head turner, puta dito ka. So maganda pala pumupunta sa mga ganito kasi meron kang bagong knowledge na nalaman. And some yung mga diskarte nila na minsan nag-work sa bansa natin, minsan sa bansa nila, yun yung nag-work. So, kanya-kanyang culture, kanya-kanyang, ano ba yun? Kanya-kanyang culture. Kanya-kanyang market. Ayan, kanya-kanyang market.
Hello, my name is Tan from Gion, Thailand. And I would like to say welcome to the G-Day 2024.
Yeah,
Hello, I'm Ruben. I'm from Mauritius. And we've been selling Gion for the last 2 years. So I'm very happy to be here at Gion G-Days 2024.
Hi, I'm Tristan of Gion Philippines and we are here at G-Days 2024. These are the new products, yung Purify segment ng Gion.
So, ano yung Purify segment?
Ito is more of disinfectant. So, antibacterial maintenance spray. So, since, diba, after ng COVID, medyo na conscious na lahat. So,
So, meron tayong ganito.
Yung sabi, yung may nag-racing kinuwento ni Rebo, may nagreklamo ng negative review sa Lazada. Bakit daw made in China yun? Sorry, hindi mo kami gumawa niyan.
The social media manager and Japan. Let's go. So, we're on the way to... Anong day na ba? Day 5 of Euro trip and day 2 of G-Days. Yan. Kaya ba, sir? So, papunta kami ng Porsche Experience Center. So, titignan natin kung malakas ba ang preno ng Porsche. Ayan ang i-review natin mamaya.
Eh, paano kung nag-hydroplane ka? Kahit anong lakas ang preno mo, kung lumulutang ka na lang.
Yun lang.
Hi guys, welcome to G-Days 2024 at Hockenheimring for some amazing days. Next stop is Automechanica, but first, enjoy driving. Ciao!
So, we're finally back here at day 2 of G-Days.
Or track day.
It's a track day, guys.
Track day on a gloomy day.
So yan nandun, ayun yung mga ano.
Lahat yan, drive mo lahat yan, Mark.
So, mamimili tayo mamaya. May concert ba dito, boss?
Yan, nandiyan, no? Laki ng production, di ba?
Ayan. So, bago mag-drive sa kailangan ng passport ng driver's license. So, ito yung gagamitin ni Boss Rebs na papel. Sabihin mo.
Scan ka. Ayan, may card naman eh. Pinascan lang eh.
Kakainis.
Yes, sir. Morning. So, right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Porsche. Ito pa banda rin. Yun. It's running, guys. It's running. So, tara, samahan nyo kami today. And we're going. Oh my gosh. It's vlogging time. Let's go. Kala ko GT3 kanina.
Alright. Here's our second safety zone, so we also speed here at approximately 50-55 km per hour. And at the end of the safety zone, we are able to accelerate again. So yeah.
So guys, akala ko tapos na. So yung mga kasama namin nagsumakay na, naiwan na naman tayo. So let's go.
Yeah, hello, I'm Jack from Poland and this is G-Days Day 2.
It's good.
And you had fun?
Yeah, super.
That's great. Now you're gonna buy Porsche next time.
Yeah, in the Philippines.
There is no substitute, you know? Once you drive it,
You will
you're done.
never forget it. So this is our next
This is our next group,
on
right?
the group 2.
Group number 2,
Yep.
right? We will drive to slalom now.
Yep. So it's all Panamera, 2 Panamera and 2 Cayennes. Wow, crazy. I like the interior.
Hi, my name is Tilia. I'm from Gion, Switzerland. Welcome to G-Days.
So right now we're using a Panamera and this is the top of the line.
So you're also having fun?
Yes,
Everything alright?
yes sir.
Perfect. So I will now change the formation. You two guys in the 911 come up to the front.
Yep.
And then we will change the formation to get the 718s to the back. All right.
Alright.
Perfect. So have fun.
Yep.
And then we'll continue driving.
Yeah, thank you. Ano daw? So guys, kasama natin ang Gion, Switzerland. I'm with Gion, Switzerland.
Hi, my name is Delia.
So yun.
We can try it again.
We can do it. We can do it.
We will see.
Let's see.
And everybody should use their cameras.
That's why you have a camera.
Top right
It's
hand
a big-
if we have to.
It's a big help. So guys, it's my turn. It's my turn. So let's go. Always planning. Always planning. That's why this is easy for us. Oh, oh, oh my gosh.
Schaut nach rechts, jawohl. Was
Easy, easy. That's in the Philippines. Oh,
How are you feeling?
away parking.
no pressure at all. Just kidding, just kidding.
But you always drive the center.
Just kidding.
Sounds like so great.
You're going on the track.
I want to go home to my family.
You're safe. You're safe.
Good. You're a good driver.
Yeah.
Good. I'm relieved.
Yeah, this is normal in the Philippines. We're just going up on the mountain like that, flooding on the street. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we have like mountains too in Switzerland, but not.
But not like this. Not like
there are
this.
no streets like this.
In the Philippines, it's like this. It's like
Okay, so very steep and
yeah,
not.
very steep.
Then it's green. And then you can go off the brake and the
Yep.
car
Really?
drives automatically down.
Wow, wow.
Okay.
That's a force thing, guys.
When it's green, you can go off the
All
brake.
right.
But first, when it's green, okay?
Yes, sir. I cannot see. It has a hill, downhill.
Yes. Go off the brake, go off the brake, go off the brake.
Oh.
Oh my God!
No break! No break! Wow! Crazy! No break!
Holy
This is downhill! It's good! Amazing!
All the way to the left, it's the park right.
Thank you. This is crazy! Wow! How's your Porsche experience?
It's an experience. Eh, well, medyo watered down yung experience sa track kasi umulan. So, medyo petiks lang yung... Hindi rin pumipiga si Coach eh. Si Coach. Favorite ako ni Coach yung sa off-road eh. Doon tayo sanay eh. Hindi na niya ako kino-coach doon sa off-road eh. Pero doon sa drift, puta. Ako lang hindi makapagpa-drift eh.
Pero umikot lahat.
Umikot naman lahat. Pero at least sila may isa, dalawa silang nakuha nila. Ako yung kuha ko na yung hindi lang umikot eh. Pero nag 90 degrees yung sakyan eh. Hindi naman ako nagde-drive ng sports car sa Pilipinas. Hindi ako sanay humawak niyan. Pero SUV lang naman ang nakasanayan. Pero experience talaga. Pero nagawa ko na yun.
Nakakabudol, no?
Oo, syempre kung may pambili ka, mabubudol ka.
Kaya ngayon ito para sa mga may pambili daw.
Pero kung wala kang pambili, kahit anong budol nila, wala kang magawa.
At least na-experience mo naman.
Experience
Yun
naman,
yung
yeah.
importante.
Very blessed tayo. Dito tayo nakipag-partner kay... Ang partner natin is si Gion, di ba? Nag-i-invest sila sa relationship nila.
Actually, maganda naman yung ano eh, parang iba-iba yung kasama mo para at least network. Kumbaga,
Yun
ito
ang
yung
point.
ito
Yun
yung
ang
point ng ano, G-Days. Kumbaga, other countries, parang we meet and they ask for kung ano yung ano talaga eh, kung ano yung problema ng ano.
Kasi they have problems na hindi natin problema, pero may mga problems nila na problema natin. Sometimes they're doing things na pwede pala natin i-adapt. Tapos,
Na pwede pala na nag-work sa kanila.
Nag-work sa kanila. Meron ding things na tayo naman, yun naman yung ginagawa nating tama na hindi nila ginagawa. So, nag-share din talaga.
Galing, iba-ibang culture, iba-ibang marketing, iba-ibang nagiging effect ng ano natin, ng mga ginagawa sa
ibang,
ano.
yeah. So,
Pero
iba-ibang
galing,
parts ng-
that's ano, kanina lumapit si Mike of Gion Australia and may mga may mga certain questions kami na tinanong na parang sila sabi nila,
Willing
ito,
naman silang-
willing mag-guide.
Willing
Kasi sila na yung mga malalaki eh. Kumbaga sa
sila yung
Asia,
mga-
parang...
Sila yung kuya natin
Yes,
sa industry.
kuya.
So,
Tsaka matagal na sila sa industry.
Yeah.
So, I think wala nang mga sasakyan sa likod. Mukhang kailangan natin uminom.
Pinatago ko na.
And this will, ano na guys,
Chat namin ng konti.
this will
para
end our day 5?
Right.
This is day 5 of Euro trip and this is day 2 of G days.
Tomorrow, we'll be going to Auto Mechanica.
Guys, tara, samahan nyo kami sa Auto Mechanica. Anong mga produkto ang pwede namin pauwi sa Pilipinas? Tara, let's go! Guys, grabe oh, mga imported na mais. So, solid guys. Ayan oh, di ba? Pucha. Ooh, welcome to Auto Mechanica. Let's go. Grabe, isang ano, MOA. This is Hall 3. Nandyan yung mga Brembo, mga preno. So right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hall 3 and tignan muna natin kung ano laman nito. Oh. Come on. Martha battery. So nasa 4.2 na tayo. All 5 and 6. So tara, inom muna tayo. Happy hour daw muna, happy hour. Sarap ah. Yeah, thank you. So I'm with Boss Ray. Mahiyain. Ayun. So guys, we're here. We're just enjoying the night. And it's currently 5:40 na. Pero maliwanag sa likod. So yun. We need to enjoy lang guys. Kain muna tayo. Dito tayo sa Sky Plaza. Model na sasakyan. Mali. So, we need to go up. So, yung headlight niya guys, so pwedeng happy birthday. Welcome. So guys, we are here at Gion booth. Hi, can I have coffee please? So that's it for today guys, and see you tomorrow. Let's go.
In that industry, without minds is your friend.
Uy, kala mo nagkita-kita lang dito eh.
Pero yun, lamig.
So guys, this is day 8 of our Euro trip and this is our last day. Yun, ito na yung pinaka ano, yung nagpapak ng gamit.
Ay, yung pinakamalungkot.
Yung excited tayo from day 1. Parang kabaliktaran naman to ng ano. Though, marami naghihintay sa atin na trabaho.
Tsaka, syempre, excited to be with family.
Yes.
Yun ang pinaka...
Actually, masarap mag-travel ng ganito pagkasama ang pamilya mo. Pero kapag trabaho, syempre, iba kasi. Iba yung trabaho at saka iba yung pasyal ng pamilya. Di ba?
Exciting pa rin, both naman. Syempre, pagka family, dapat medyo...
May spare, kaya may spare ka talaga.
Kaya mo talagang gumastos kasi otherwise hindi mo naman ma-enjoy, di ba?
So yun guys, sum up natin from day 1.
Dumating tayo. Rent tayo ng kotse.
Then,
ito, nakita natin Airbnb.
yan, Airbnb. Day 2, nagplan tayo papuntang
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
So, biglang the night before, yung night ng day 1, decide na, sige, tara, Switzerland. Total, ano naman, pwede naman.
Oo, kumbaga parang yung 4 hours, parang iniisip natin, para lang tayo punta ng Baguio eh.
Oo,
Diba?
pero mas malayo. Pero diretso lang kasi.
Diretso, yes.
lang kasi. Tapos autobahn, walang speed limit.
Dito mo ma-enjoy yung mga supercar or sports car.
Kung may ano ka, no, M3, kung naka M3 lang.
M3 na kay wagon, yung parang kay kuya.
Kay kuya, oo. Sarap sana i-drive yung kahit mga 2.4 tak.
Ano ba tayo? Day 2? So,
lang.
day... wait lang. Yung day 2 muna pala, sorry.
Sayang, we didn't have time to go dun sa Alps, sa Mount
Kasi 2.5 hour pa daw eh.
Tilili.
One whole day kasi talaga yun.
Yeah, you have to
Dapat kung mag-ano ka Switzerland, quick mga 3 days talaga minimum.
3 days. Kung gusto mo
Papunta, enjoy ng
enjoy mo ng konti.
Yep, tama.
Pero nagmamadali ka pa rin sa 3 days.
8 hours lang kami doon sa Switzerland.
And supposedly, we will sleep there. Pero nagka-leche yung hotel booking namin ng mga...
Then day 3 na tayo.
3 a.m. tayo nakabalik.
3-4, ganyan? 3:30?
Mga 3:10, mga ganyan. So, tulog konti. Pahinga. Tapos ano nga.
Yung time na kumain natin sa Japanese eh.
Japanese. The following day, kumain kami sa Japanese food.
Nepalese chef.
In Germany.
Pero guys, sa 3 days na yun, ayun yung parang tumatak sa isip ko. Kasi parang ayun yung nabusog talaga ako.
Yun yung kilala mo kasi.
Ayun yung alam mo ng panlasa.
So, I think day 3 was, yung gabi na yun is the welcome drinks. Yeah, we meet up with the rest of the Gion. It was fun to see again.
Networking.
The rest of the Gion family. Tapos, naubos yung jacket namin, pati yung jacket namin.
Napamigay namin kasi nagustuhan nila. Namin lahat.
Guys, made in the Philippines yun. Tinangkilik ng ibang bayan.
So, anyway, then the following day 4. Day 4 is day 1 ng G-Day. So, we went to the
grabe.
Experience Center na.
First, naman yun parang tour muna, tapos introduce yung mga...
Yes.
Kung baka may question and answer doon, hindi na namin na-film guys kasi
confidential
siya. Pero...
Trade secret yan, Mark. Trade secret. Alam mo, mahilig ka sa mga trade secrets.
So, guys, PM is the key.
Anyway, so masaya yung day 2 ng G-Days, day 5 overall. Yun yung fun time talaga dun sa, yun yung, hindi man pwedeng masyadong seryoso yung tone. So, lahat nag-enjoy naman sa, may mga iba, like for example, yung kasama ko sa car is from Gion, Canada. Medyo not my cup of tea daw eh. So, ako na lang nag-drive. So, okay lang sa kanya. Wala siyang problema na ako lang yung mag-drive. So, nakakatawa lang kasi habang nagdadrive ko, man, I just had lunch. Tapos, auto-mechanica na. So, medyo naligaw muna kami kasi hindi namin alam saan magpa-park. Saan ang parking. So, paikot-ikot kami sa Frankfurt. Then, nakapasok namin auto-mechanica. First time nila. So, medyo nakita na nila kung gaano kalaki ang auto-mechanica.
Guys, iisipin mo na lang, parang 12 SMX.
Hindi nga eh. Kasi ang isang hall...
Hindi yung MOA pala, MOA. Yung MOA na yung MOA na ay...
Yung buong MOA complex, gawin mong SMX.
Parang ganun.
Yung buong MOA
kasi
complex,
parang 4 floors na
4 floors.
4,088
companies.
Exhibitors.
Grabe. Guys, alam nyo, doon ko nakita na pag European company yung yung principal mo, ang laki talaga ng mga booth nila. Nung pagdating namin sa China, hindi naman sa magana sa China, pero alam mo, isang malit lang na booth na isa lang. Alam mo, tas walang, mag-ilaw lang sila, produkto nila.
Siguro may perks pa rin ang pagiging
pero
European.
doon ko lang nakita yung Taiwan. Medyo nagdo-double boot sila, may triple boot sila. Unlike talaga sa Hong Kong at saka China, isa-isa lang talaga, boss.
Anyway, so now brings us to day 8. Last day, we're flying home tonight. We're saying goodbye na to our home base.
And mag-grocery muna tayo para sa mga pasalubong natin.
Shopping, konting souvenir shopping. Kasi nakakaya naman kung dumating tayo wala ako.
Itlog lang ang bit-bit natin. So guys, this will end our vlog. Follow
Gion Philippines, Drive Clean PH, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook.
Yep. And follow Mark Mercada, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, guys. So, see you on the next trip, guys. Woo!
Let's
Let's
go!
Yeah, let's try the chicken.